Hey, baby. Okay, you say hi. Hi po. For today's video, we will have a bucket trade. Let's see what's inside Bryce's bucket. Oh. Let's see what's inside Bryce's bucket. Oh. Okay. Oh. You show them what you got. Dali. Which do you like the most? Okay, Mommy will pick first. Here's a piggy. And Bryce doesn't like it that much, okay? Because why do you hate this one? It sounds like a real pig. Okay. Except na sa English, Mommy. Busan tayo. Oh. Asan na gusto mo? Dali. Kadugay, oy. Kadugay man. Oh, it's a Yogo bottle. One of his favorite toys. Okay. Ano pa? Okay. Oh, pick another. Dili pa. Yay! Strainer ng kanyang bottle cleaner. Hindi po siya masyadong nagamit. Okay. It's a part of a tower sliding toy. Basta ganun. Okay. Masyadong comment, pero makita naman sa kanyang reaction kung gaano niya kagusto ang isang toy. It's a part of his sliding tower. Okay, pick another, baby. It's a teether na may ball inside, and it's, I don't know what this is called. Oh, ball! Yay! Hindi niya masyadong trip ang ball kasi 1, 2, 3 yeah, matagal niyang kinuha ang ball. Okay, another pa. Ikaw pa, dali. Sige na, Bryce. Ano ba? Gusto niyo paglaro ng kanyang balde. Kapoy na ka? Okay, ang kanyang pinili na susunod ay kanyang piggy bank na may lamang 3 pesos. Calling, Daddy, we need something here. Yeah, he got 3 pesos. Ibig another, dali. Sige nga, kung ano pang gusto. Yay! It's a puzzle. It's a part of a puzzle cube. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Okay. And a bowling pin. Yeah, we bought this at SM. Hindi naman siya sa Toy Kingdom. Basta sa department store. Okay. One of his first toys. Itong sliding tower. Gusto niya ngat-ngatin. Dali na! Oh! You like the pig? Ano pa? Dali! Oh, kunin mo pa yung mga gusto mo. Sige na! Okay, ang baso ng McDo. Pero, hindi pa siya nag-McDo. Kay Mami to. Okay. Oh. May hinihintay akong kunin mo, Bryce. Oh, kuha ka pa. Ano pa ang gusto mo? Ayaw na niya at ang hindi niya napili ay ang ito. Ito, he doesn't like it. Ayan, basketball. Oh, favorite niya pala to. Ang case ng dental floss. Go! Yay! Meron pa dito. Marvel Heroes. Ayan. Lots of balls. Bowling ball. Okay. By the way, he's just 9 months old, so hindi pa siya required mag-clean up ng toys. That's it for today. You say bye-bye! Bye-bye! I'm going to play with the dental floss case first.